If you use Zoho Books and want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the language settings in Zoho Books in just a few clicks. It's simple, fast, and extremely useful, especially if you manage accounts in multiple languages or just prefer working in your native one. Let's get right into it. Changing your language in Zoho Books is actually much easier than most people think. First, open your browser and go to zoho.com/books, then sign in with your usual login credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Account. This will open your main Zoho account settings. On the left-hand sidebar, make sure you choose Profile. A lot of users mistakenly click on Settings, but for changing the language, you need to be inside the Profile section. Next, look for the Edit option beside your profile information and click it. This is where all your personal account details can be updated. Now scroll a little until you see the language drop-down menu. Click it and you'll find a list of all the languages Zoho Books currently supports. Simply select the language you prefer using. Once you've chosen your language, hit the Save button. And that's it. The moment you save your changes, Zoho Books will instantly update its interface and menus to the language you picked. No refresh, no restart, nothing else required. This quick adjustment can make your entire accounting workflow more comfortable and efficient, especially if you manage multiple clients or team members across different regions. If this guide helped you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.